International Dance Day takes place on the 29th of April each year. The event was established by the Dance Committee of the International Theatre Institute to highlight the amazing diversity and talent of dancers around the world. This date was chosen as it marks the birthday of Jean-Georges Navert, the famous creator of modern ballet. This event was created to make people aware of the value of dance and enable the dance community to promote their work on a broad scale. The event also aims to make governments and opinion leaders value the importance of dance in all its form and to support it. International Dance Day encourages people to celebrate the joy that dance can bring to our lives. Whether it's celebrating your favourite type of dance or learning new dance styles, dance brings people together. To help you and your children celebrate this event, we've collated some of our dance-themed resources where you can find the links to them in the description below.